So the Falcons take the salute as the aircraft does a pedal turn and moves towards crowd left. It's now time to introduce the team captain, or the pilot captain today. Some say that he helped Leonardo da Vinci draw pictures of helicopters. All we know is he's Flight Lieutenant Jim Hopkirk. Jim has over 8,000 hours on the aircraft and is an instructor for many pilots, including some Scandinavian pilots here today. Just ask the NH90 display team. As the aircraft comes from crowd left, those of you familiar with fairground rides will start to see the roller coaster. Jim pitches the aircraft up to 55 degrees and the aircraft almost holds in mid-air before nosing over into the second of the roller coaster. Using the energy from the first nose over plus 10,000 horsepower